Ain't going nowhere.
3.5 inches does it for it, huh? All right.
Yeah. That's a good idea. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
This is 3.5 inches.
Dude, wow. Ain't going nowhere.
3.5 inches does it for it, huh? All right.
Yeah. That's a good idea. And you don't.
You see how the box drops down underneath this ledge, and I had to get up in there. So I had to put them in on an angle each way until I got evened up, and then I just went to the, you know what I mean? And
yeah. So what made you not have your amp and battery bank back here?
I can feel it.
You can feel it?
I can keep an eye on it and everything.
That's a good idea.
Eventually, it will get moved back here, but
yeah.
I'm also up in the air. I'm building a stump wall back here. I want to do like 415s across the bottoms, like 4.8s and a bunch of orange or something, maybe.
Awesome. Looks good. Thank you for showing me, man. Yes, sir.
Everything's right here too, bro. So if you want to do the walkthrough, you got 2¼ inches of wood on the floor, 3 inches of material in the roof, 20K behind my seat.
Sorry. Can you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
My name's Tony Cotton. I got 4 American-based VFL V2 18s on a American-based Godfather 15D. It's supposed to be the biggest amp American bass has ever produced.
That thing's huge.
90 amp hours is JY right now, but I got another 90 amp hours of C-Max that I have ready to go. I just have to get it in here, and I'm actually still on a stock alt, so I can only demo for a short time. Right now.
Work in progress.
Yeah, I built the box in 3 days just to get ready for the show.
Okay.
I still got to do my seal off. We got a 55.7 out of that 38 so far, and that was just playing around. I didn't even really get into it. Do no test tones. That was on music.
Okay.
All right. So let's see what we got. I'm gonna try and give you a little bit of lows and a little bit of highs.
Sure. Wow, that's thick.
That right there is just bolted on with some freaking 90s for right now. They've been on there since 2016.
All right. Because the stock alt's dropping.
Yeah, I'm dropping down to 10.5, man, and I start getting a little bit of distortion introduced to the system, so I just fucking back her down.
And it's a 6-cylinder, so but you still got to fine tune the loading wall in the front wall?
Yes, this is still wide open right now, so essentially this would be acting as a T-line for the moment.
Okay. Could you play one more real quick for me?
Absolutely.
All right.
So I'm gonna try and give you some high notes too.
Okay. And you got to also close it off so you're leaking on the side.
Everything's sealed. It's not sealed off. Like I said, I built this box in 3 days just to get ready for today.
Awesome.
The backside's tuned around 30.
Okay.
I didn't go too low on the backside. I wanted to kind of get some range out of it.
Yeah.
And I still play down to 17, but it's stupid.
Really?
Yeah, it's stupid.
Right here.
Yeah, it's all right here.
And you got some backspace there.
Yeah, bro. I built it for comfort, man.
So it's like a B pillar, but a B,
it's like
2.5.
Yeah, I guess you could say once I get
C and 2.
Hopefully I get the seal off done soon, man. Everyone's telling me to expect about 5 decibels a gain from the seal off, so
it can be depending on how you tune it. The port and all. Yep.
That's what I'm hoping for, man.
What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Tony's system. He did a really good job showcasing his system. Of course, it's unfinished, but he got it done, and really impressive to build this whole system in under 3 days. This was showcased at the Made of Steel show near Tampa, Florida area of 2021. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and give him a like if you haven't already, as well as comment. Give him some positive feedback. Really impressive the amount of cone area space he fit inside of here, and I hope you enjoyed that little walk around we got. So these subs are inverted, helps a little bit with the cooling, as well as he hasn't done a lot of tuning yet to know which way is optimal. Still work in progress. Sorry I couldn't get a closer shot of the amplifier, but I looked up on their website. This is the 15K VFL American Bass Comp Series, rated at 20,000 watts RMS at 1 ohm is what they showed on their site. I was really impressed with the way he actually built his box. You can see it's like quad baffled. He used 2x4s and 2x6s across his back baffle to make sure it's no flex zone. So this is a really good way to build a wall if you want to build a cage with just the wood, and then after you build the wood you can actually put your birch wood or your whatever type of wood you prefer to use. When I built my system I actually did this same style. You can check out the playlist on my channel. Just go to my setup playlist. Anyway, we're going to go and get to the cardio bass demo now. He's going to be giving us 2 songs, a low end demo and a high end frequency demo with a hair trick as well. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy the demo. Be sure to give him a like and comment. Let him know what you think.
Give you a little bit of lows and a little bit of highs.
Sure. Wow. It's pretty good.
That's my mid-bass setup. Thank you.
Mid-bass setup. Play one more real quick for me?
Absolutely.
All right.
I'm going to try and get you some high notes too.
Okay. Is there anything in the back?
No, nothing.
All right here.
Yeah, it's all right here.
And you got some back space there.
Yeah, bro. I built it for comfort,
Yeah,
man.
so it's like a B pillar, but a B,
It's
like
like
2.5.
Yeah, I guess you could say once I
between
get
C and 2.
Hopefully I get the seal off done soon, man. Everyone's telling me to expect about 5 decibels a gain from the seal off, so
It can be, depending on how you tune it. The port and all, yep.
that's what I'm hoping for, man.
Thank you. You have a
Hey,
good
you
day.
gotta check out this car right next to me, man.
We will.
My buddy Bob built that one right there, man. That thing's fire.
Sure.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.